So as I was saying, I found the village at last. Yay! Yay! I found the village. Okay. Let's go on with this village. It's on the computer. I've already told you. It's on the computer. Can you stop moving everything? You're gonna drop stuff. So after a little fly around, I found this village. You have to go to Super Flat World. Who wants to see the castle? Did you say yes? Yeah? Okay. Let's go. Wait, I thought you wasn't seeing just then. And you wasn't, I'm sorry. So let's go inside and have a look at this villager. Oh my goodness, I'm bad at coming in. What are you doing, Mr. Villager? Mr. P-Face? What are you doing, Mr. P-Face? So, 9 gold for 1 emerald? Oh my god, I'm gonna kill that villager. Oh my goodness, that's a bad trade, baby. Bad trade.
Oh, and you're not supposed to say, oh my god.
I didn't say hey. I'm getting you out of here, baby. Yeah. Oh, what does that have? 1 emerald for 6 at stake. Oh my goodness, have a look at this trade. That's great. That's actually great. 1 emerald for 6. Great. Oh mia, that's great. Thank you, villager. Just a little shake on the hand. Oh, broke that. And I'm on creative. Let's have a look. Stop doing Metula.
I'm not.
You are. She's doing Metula in the middle of my video.
I am not!
No, that's not nice. You're not supposed to be eating in here. Food is not allowed in the office, please. How'd you go?
It is!
Do you have a special stand? Oh.
No.